Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a backup in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to have a backup, you will need just to export your data or schedule an export for your data. To do so, you will need to go to Setup menu, click on Setup, and basically it will take us to the Lightning Salesforce. And from there, we will need just simply to search for export, and from there we can find the data export. By clicking on data export, we will see that the data export lets you prepare a copy of all your data in Salesforce, and which means a backup. And basically you will need just to click on export now, and then you will add all the information that you want to include, either some specific ones or all the data, as you can see. So either we can click or include all the data, and of course you can have some export file encoding, and either you want to include all the images, etc., but it will take more space, more time, etc. And then after choosing everything, you will need just to click on start export, and you will have your data that will be start exporting. Otherwise you can start scheduling export, so you can be able to export frequently, and you will have, for example, a monthly backup or a trimester backup, etc. So either you can have every month, or you can have, for example, in a specific date, or a specific custom date. So you can choose a preferred also time, and also you will need just to include everything that you would want in addition for the scheduling process. And after that, you will need just to click on save, and you will have your data export that will be scheduled for your Salesforce. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.